స్టార్ట్ చెప్పు.
My name is Sasha. I'm studying in the fifth class in St. Antonia School. I'm telling about topic my family. She is my grandmother. Grandmother name is Amaka. He is my grandfather. Grandfather name is Ramachandru. Both are farmers. He is my father. Father name is Santos. Father is police officer and government helper. She is my mother. Mother name is Rashana. Mother is homemaker. She is my sister. Sister studying the third class. Sister name is Hanvi. This is me. This is big family.
This is my
This is my big family. Thank you.